It started out as a food pantry during COVID, but it grew to a loving community sharing table with over 70 chapters across the country.
Hi, I'm Mary Kate. I started the first sharing table in front of my house. A sharing table is a community space where people take or leave food, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. Take what you need and leave what you can if you can. It's completely anonymous. Within the first day, we had people coming to take things and to drop things off. It made me feel so good to be able to be doing something for our neighbors. Not for strangers, but for people who are like right here suffering from the pandemic. We had a man come by our table who took some tomato sauce and pasta and a toothbrush and toothpaste. And he said, because of you, I'm going to be able to eat dinner and take a shower tonight. It was amazing. It started right near my town on Long Island. It just started growing and growing. Then to Queens, then to the Hudson Valley. And then one of my really close friends in Los Angeles, Lee Brenner, he told me that he wanted to open up a table. And so all of a sudden we were bi-coastal.
Starting a sharing table in California really had a remarkable response right away. First day I started it, under 10 people had come by. By the next day, it was 20. By the next weekend, it was most of the table was gone, and by the afternoon, it'd be replenished by people I never even saw. So to say that it was remarkable is really an understatement. At the beginning of the pandemic, a lot of people were scared. You go to the grocery store and people are hoarding. Now, I think the sharing table gives us all a chance to undo that and show who we really are as a community, which is we want to help each other. And the sharing table is just a great, easy way to do that.
Sharing is caring. Great work, Mary Kate and Lee. Check out thedoctorstv.com for more information. The global pandemic has changed our lives.
We've been through so much.
As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May, we'll give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband.
So you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better, because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.